푸른 꽃을 꺾는 손. 푸른, blue. 꽃, 보, object marker. 꺾는, breaking, picking. 손, hand, meaning the hand that picks a blue flower. But 잡고 싶지만 잡고 싶 to hold to. hold to want to. But I want to hold. But 내 운명인 걸 my 운명 destiny being meaning it's my fate. 내 운명인 걸 내 equals my 운명 equals destiny fate. Might it's that I am it's that it is. Grammar tip 인걸 explains or emphasizes a state fact. 내 운명인 걸 it's my destiny. 너에게 다가설 수 없으니까 네에게 가겠소니까 to you 다가설 수 없다. Cannot approach nick because grammar tip 네 수 없다 expresses inability meaning that I can't approach you meaning because엔 불러줄 이름이 없어 내겐 불러줄 이름이 to me. Someone would call someone friendly modifier form. 이름 equals name dash 없어 equals doesn't exist. Grammar tip 어주다 doing something for someone meaning there's no name you can call me. 초라한 모습 보여줄 순 없어. 초라한 모습 초라한 equals shabby. 모습 appearance it equals 보여줄 순 없다. Grammar tip 를 수 없다 can't do. 순 spoken contraction of 수는 I can't show my shabby self. 또 가면을 쓰고 널 만나러 가. 쓰고 내일 만나러 가. 또 가면 mask 쓰고 wear and 널 만나러 가. Go to meet you. Grammar tip 러가다 go do something. Meaning again I wear my mask and go to meet you. 외로움의 정원의 핀, 외로움의 of loneliness. 정원. 에 equals in. 핀, bloomed. Grin turns a verb into a modifier for a noun, meaning bloomed in the garden of loneliness.